Hey guys, I'm Victor Diu, the author of Diu Framework. In this episode, I will demonstrate how to write API in Rust with Diu. In this episode, you are going to learn install Diu as a command line tool with Cargo, install an editor plugin for highlighting, write schema, generate a query client, start server, perform HTTP request with query client. Let's dive right in. First, let's install Diu. You will see something is compiling if you never installed it. If you don't have Cargo installed, you need to check this command. This is from Rust official website. Use this command to install Rust. Let's create a new project. Let's call it blog API. In VS Code, make sure you have this plugin installed. It provides syntax highlighting for Diu schema files. Okay, now let's create our very first schema file. First, let's declare a connector. The connector specifies which database we are going to connect. Next, we declare server, on which port our server will be listening on. Then we declare client. This generated query client will send requests to our backend server. We specify it should be a TypeScript client. It should be somewhere named blog API client. It's a package, full package. We use Git and let Git auto commit this first commit. And it will send its requests to this URL. It's right when we are listening on. Let's declare some model. A minimalist blog app has users and posts. We have email, we have name. Email should be unique. Onset, it should validate if it's validate email address. A post has a foreign key, which is user ID. It has relations hooked up. Noted, this field is this reference is this fields. Okay, let's generate the query client. Okay, it's generated. Let's start server. This server is listening on this port. Inside our generated client, let's do some request. Okay, let's see what can we get from this request. Okay, let's install something. TS node. Seeing great result coming out. We created John and we created a post of him. We can also query for all the users or all the posts. Let's try. See, we found John and we found his post. We can update. Okay, let's try. We've updated the name.